Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use media upload in Snapchat. First, let's navigate to your memories. This is where all your previously saved snaps and imported media are stored. Simply tap the small icon below the camera button on the main screen. Once inside, you'll see various tabs like Snaps, Stories, and Camera Roll. We'll focus on the camera roll to access content from your device's gallery. This is your starting point for bringing external media into Snapchat. Now that you're in Memories, tap on the Camera Roll tab. Here, you can browse and select the photo or video you wish to upload. After selecting, Snapchat's powerful editing suite becomes available. You can add fun stickers, apply unique filters, draw directly onto your media, or type out a message. Experiment with these tools to personalize your content and make it truly stand out before sharing it with your friends. Once your media is perfectly edited, it's time to share. You have two primary options: add it to your story or send it directly to individual friends. Adding to your story makes it visible to all your followers for 24 hours. If you prefer a more private share, select Send to and choose specific contacts. You can select up to 16 friends for a single message, ensuring your content reaches the right audience. After creating and sharing your amazing content, you might want to save it. Snapchat allows you to save your edited media directly back to your device's camera roll. Simply tap the download icon before sending or after viewing your own story. This ensures you have a copy of your creative work. You can also export your snaps to share on other platforms, giving you full control over your content beyond the Snapchat ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.